Hi, Alistair. Yeah, you could. Before you, there's a couple ways of doing it. Default slider, carousel slider. You take that information out. Right. Logo, tagline, graphic. Yeah, I already yanked it out. What we did is we just went and these social icons right here. Basically, you can take these right out of the social icons library file, and you can go open up the footer, and you can go pop them into the footer wherever you want to have them go. So what do we have here in the footer? Website name, your tagline, boom, thanks for visiting. Probably under the tagline, let's just say. I mean, you can put them wherever you want to, but so here's our tagline. So probably under this div and above the p tag, you can add another class. Okay, and it depends on how you want to display them. I think they will display inline, which you just basically straight copy and paste that way, like I'm doing it right here. And inline means side by side, obviously, if you're not sure with the CSS terminology. So that's that. Now, the other question was you want to link, you want a one-pager, you want to link to a certain area in the page. Yep, you can do that. First thing you need to do is create what's called an anchor. Okay, so we open up the About page, go to the Design view, and we find a spot. We get rid of the annoying visual aids first of all. At least I do. You do whatever is good for you. I'm going to turn them off. Let's say we want, actually the index page, just using as an example, my bad. Now is it Control Alt and Control Shift I, Control Shift I, turn the visual aids off and open the page. There we go. And let's say we want the menu, the very first one, to go to the navigation carousel. Well, what we want to do then is right here, just beside wherever we want that point to link to, it's called the anchor, we put our cursor in the page and we go Insert, and then it's going to be a named anchor right here. Okay, and we'll call this carousel. Okay, it's very important what we give it a name. I recommend all lowercase, one word, okay, because you have to remember what we're linking to, and then we click OK, like so. There. Now, if we flip to code view, we should see an ID of carousel right there. Okay, and that's what it's going to link to in the page, and you won't see it visually in the design mode, right? But now the key to that is in our menu top. Okay, let's say we want to change this to carousel. So let me bring up my Spry menu bar. Let me bring up my properties first. Okay. So the pages, let's, first of all, I'm going to get rid of the enhancements and the features, because that's all the junk we don't need. So, let's say the pages, if you're going to have a one-pager, obviously we don't need any of these other sub-pages below, right? So, there we go. So we just have home and pages now, right? Pages, see where it says the pound sign right here? Then we just type in carousel, and that's it. So it's going to link to the page that it's already in and just go to the carousel. Or you can type in index.htm pound carousel. So it's going to go to the index page and then the ID of carousel. And that's all you have to do. Create your links, and then over here in the link, just type in the name with the pound sign of the named anchor in front of it, and that's why I suggest you keep it all lowercase and one word. It's a lot easier for preventing errors.